Solar panels have assisted us in saving up to 10% of our energy bill, and with us being such a massive facility and looking after all of our elephants, 10% is an enormous saving for us. My name is Erin Shattock and I'm from the Knysna Elephant Park. Elephants are a fundamental part of our African ecosystem, and everyone has the responsibility to preserve and protect the biodiversity within our environments.
Huawei is proud to be a partner in making South Africa environmentally sustainable and economically prosperous.